Okay, so if I went inside facebook.com/creator studio, and it will redirect directly inside Meta Business Suite. Okay, so what is the solution if you want to use a Facebook Creator Studio, because it is directly redirecting in Meta Business Suite, right? So in this case, there is only one solution. For this one, thus you have to click in the help, and now you can see you will get four options: fail, give feedback, switch to Creator Studio, and go to Business Manager. So in this time, you have to click in the switch to Creator Studio and just click in the switch back, and now you will get various type of the things. Okay, so I'm just you can choose any of them, so I'm just choosing this one, editing and creating post, and I'm just clicking on the submit, and now your Meta Business Suite will redirect inside your Facebook Creator Studio. Okay, and if you want to switch again inside your Meta Business Suite, so you can directly switch from here. Okay, so in this way you can bring back your Facebook Creator Studio. Thank you so much.